Hey, let me show you how you can take the good looking photos with a lot of details on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Take a look how many things we can find here, even some pieces of the dust. So first of all, what you have to do is just to click over here and make sure that you are gonna activate 50 megapixel mode. And right now, what is also really important, make sure about the good lighting condition. Additionally, you can even turn on the flashlight if you don't have enough lights around you, but in my case everything is fine, so I'm gonna just use my lights around me. Now another tip, just hold your phone steady and remember to do not put it too close to the object, because as you can see we will lose focus. So we have to just hold it like so to get focus and hold your phone steady. Now try to click on the screen and catch the things that you want to capture. To catch the focus, click here and the photo was taken. Now as you can see, when you go over here and go for the preview, it looks like that. Amazing with a lot of details. Thanks for watching.